Diana here. For today's video, we'll be doing something different from the previous videos we've been doing before. We're turning the tables around because we're all about soil. With the help of my friends, you can understand it better. Soil, also known as the skin of the earth, is a mixture of decaying organic matter, such as humus, minerals like aluminum, magnesium, and iron, and a lot of living organisms. It is considered to be a product of weathering. There are 5 factors for the formation of soil.
Parent soil, which means we should know where the soil originally came from and how was it brought here. It could be brought by wind, water, or anthropological activity, or as we know as human activities. Biological. This is how the living organisms react or interact with the soil. Trees in the forest have different root systems and produce different organic matter than grasses in the grassland. Topography. It is where are we located in the earth if we're towards or away from the sun. Climate. The kind of precipitation, amount, and intensity. Since we're near the equator, there's a high level of precipitation, and we have a hot climate. Time. It won't happen in an instant for the 4 factors to work. It takes time or a long process for the soil and the other factors to connect and interact with each other.
Now, let's move on to the next topic: soil profile and soil horizon.
Soil profile. It is the vertical cross-section of layers. This means that we look at the layers from top to bottom. A great example would be the soil horizon. There are 6 soil horizons. First off is the O horizon. This is also known as the organic matter horizon because it contains humus, which are rich organic materials, and leaf litters, which are leaves and twigs that haven't decomposed yet. It is 0 to 2 feet deep. To know its level of decomposition, we use 3 terms. OE means a slight decomposition. OI means an intermediate level of decomposition. And OA means a high rate of decomposition. Second is the A horizon. This is known as the biomantle horizon because this horizon contains many living organisms such as earthworms, fungi, and bacteria. It is 2 to 10 feet deep. Third is the E horizon. This is the boundary between the A and the B horizon. It is known as the leaching layer horizon and contains low amount of minerals. Leaching is when water-retaining plant nutrients such as aluminum, iron, magnesium are gone. There is a process that it goes. It is alluviation and eluviation. Alluviation is the exit of the materials because of water. Eluviation is the entering of the materials because of water. We can associate this to migration because people who exit the country are emigrants, while people who enter the country are immigrants.
B horizon. This is also known as the subsoil horizon. This is where you can locate the plant roots. It contains a high amount of minerals such as iron and aluminum because of the process of alluviation. The color of the soil is red or brown because of the high content of minerals. It is 10 to 30 feet deep. C horizon. This is also known as the regolith horizon. It contains large rocks that are partially broken down. This is least affected by weathering and it doesn't have an organic matter because it's too deep to reach. It is 30 to 48 feet deep. R horizon. This is also known as the bedrock horizon. It is the deepest soil horizon. It doesn't have any rocks, just a big mass of bedrock. It is above 48 feet deep.
Lastly, let's now talk about the types of soil. Sandy soil. It is a light, warm, and dry soil. It is the poor type of soil because it's low in nutrients and can't absorb water, which makes it hard for the roots. Among the soil types, this has the largest particles. It's high in acid and warms out quickly. Clay soil. This type contains the smallest particles, which gives a high water capacity. With this, the roots can absorb the plant's nutrients easily. A downside is that it can be hard to turn, especially in summer when it's too hard and dry, and in rainy seasons when it gets too muddy. Silt soil. This one has smaller particles compared to sandy soil, and can also hold water better. This can be usually found near the bodies of water. It's a moisture-retentive soil because of its fine particles which can be easily compressed. Loam soil. This type is a combination of all three types. It has a tight hold in water, but it drains well. It is a gardener's favorite because it usually has the balance of sandy, silt, and clay soil. The sandy clay allows air to move freely between soil particles down to the roots. Clay soil can help in absorption of the plant's nutrients. Lastly, silt soil can hold moisture. It can be an all-year-round soil because it can adjust to any type of weather. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned from us. And to ensure it, you are given 10 questions to answer.